booking issues. Here's the most common thing that people run into that causes booking issues. You might come to your dashboard, find the message where you are experiencing issues, and click on the message. Now I see the current goal it's working on here is booking. I can also see that over here. Now what you don't want is you don't want it to be working on a goal that's not booking and throwing out availability. That might happen if you went into the main tab of your bot and put in a bunch of information about your availability and its final goal of booking appointments, but it should be working on something else, maybe getting their name. So if that is the case, what you would want to do is come into your main section and make sure you remove everything about booking from these fields. Another thing people encounter is if you're using a other as your calendar and you have a variable in here, or maybe you pasted your calendar ID in here, make sure that calendar ID is right. And then make sure if you're using a variable, that variable on that contact is not blank. Obviously, if the calendar ID is blank, it doesn't run a book, and we may run into issues. Lastly, if your contacts come from all over the world and you need it to book conversationally according to time zone, make sure you have a time zone objective before your booking objective